Hello and welcome to the training MD Lightroom Classic Workflow. My name is Martin Dörsch and I'm a photographer, I'm a content creator, videographer, and I'm an educator. I love to teach my knowledge and everything I learned and I teach over the last 10 years or so. And in this training right now, you will learn from me how you can use my knowledge and my Lightroom Classic workflow for your work and to become better, faster, and have a future-proof Lightroom Classic system. I'm so looking forward to start this training. And yeah, without further ado, I would say let's start with the first real lesson, and let's start via importing photos into Lightroom Classic the fast way.